maoko.
Achiel kuom nyamburko mag msafara mara jachung mara DAP-K Seth Panyako ne mabende laro kom mar kachung bura ma Malava ne owangi jonjore e gweng ma Manyonje County ma Kakamega. Panyako ne olose yo machalo kama e wi monj makamano ka bende owacho ni Otieno manyoro ne omonje kod familia mare kanyakla kod jotijege kama bende ne gintiere magawa moro ma bende iluongo ni Downhill e gwenge mag Kakamega.
There was no police. Matete police station said they had no vehicle. The vehicle had gone to Malava. When I called the county commandant, she told me she's intervening. The first one I called, she took it lightly. She didn't intervene. I wrote her message. She refused to read my call. I wrote her message, then she called back. I asked her, I'm just calling you to report that I'm under attack and you disconnect my call. Then we left, of course. We had to find a way out. The person who attacks your driver, your personal driver, injures him, is a person who is coming after your life. I have no drivers speaking today. My driver has been grievously injured. I have many of my employees who work at the hotel. 10 so far we have seen. One is still in theater as we talk. They have been grievously injured.